In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Google Calendar and integrate it seamlessly with Google Meet. This will help you efficiently organize your virtual meetings, ensuring that participants have a straightforward way to join. Let's dive right in and simplify your scheduling needs. First, we begin by heading over to Google Calendar. You can access it by typing Google Calendar into your preferred search engine. Click on the link that takes you directly to the calendar. You'll then be greeted by the main interface, showcasing a comprehensive view of your upcoming events and a timeline to help you stay organized. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a look at the left side. You should see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking Create will prompt a drop-down menu with several options to personalize your event. For our purpose here, we're going to focus on creating a standard event. This option will allow us to structure the details of our meeting, adding crucial information such as date, time, and participants. Next, select Event from the drop-down. Choosing Event opens a new window where you can input all the relevant details about your upcoming meeting. Consider this your planning hub, where you can specify everything that ensures your attendees are well informed. When deciding on the specifics, think about the title, description, and the exact date and time you'll host the meeting. To enhance your event with a virtual component, locate the option to Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This is especially useful if your meeting requires a virtual setting. By selecting this, a unique Google Meet link will be generated automatically for your event. This means that all invited participants will have easy access to join at the scheduled time. It's a nifty feature that removes the hassle of sending separate invites or links, streamlining your virtual collaboration. After ensuring everything looks correct, take a moment to review the details you've entered. You want to make sure there's nothing amiss that could cause confusion later. When you're satisfied with your setup, direct your attention to the bottom of the event window and click on Save. By clicking Save, the event is officially lodged into your Google Calendar, and depending on your settings, invites are sent to all participants. And there you have it. Your event is now all set up, and thanks to the power and connectivity of Google Calendar and Google Meet, managing your meetings has never been easier. You can now rest assured knowing that attendees will have seamless access, and you're well on your way to running a successful, punctual meeting. Don't forget to check back on Google Calendar for any last-minute adjustments or to keep track of any spontaneous additions to your schedule. Happy planning!